Hi guys. I wanted to show you what I've been up to the last couple days. I've been working on my little golden books. Yeah, let me just pull one out for you and show you what I've got. I am following Amber's tutorial over at Lyric Lover 810, and I haven't gotten them all put together, but I've made 3 folders. I've gone through a ton of my scrapbook papers that I've had, and I'm not even choosing. I'm just randomly putting them on here. Here's some cardstock. Some is double-sided, some is not. This mandala paper is from an insert from a magazine. I've got some envelopes. This is some origami paper, and then I've got some white typing paper. I don't remember what all else. Let's see, she said copy paper, cardstock, scrapbook paper, folders, paper bags. I don't have paper bags, so I may not put paper bags in there. A couple of envelopes and some bookmark size cardstock, so I don't know, we'll see. But I have gone ahead and trimmed off. These are 6 by 7 7/8, and I've rather than paying $1 to Office Depot, because I don't have staplers or anything like that, but the Office Depot, rather than paying for that, since I was doing 20 books, I bought this for 20 bucks. Crafty Nova, and it works awesome. It went through, I did have to, I did do the covers separately. I did a cover, I did all the pages, then I did the other cover, and I need to trim this one up a little bit. That's from when I deconstructed it. But yeah, so all of that is going to go in here, and then I might add a couple of pockets, but not much more. And then I have these I got on Amazon, 1-inch book rings. I think it was, there's 100 in the pack, and I want to say it was like $7. Either way, it was cheaper than Dollar Tree. So I have 20 of those prepped, and then I have a stack still of all these little golden books. And this one I have something planned for that one already. But these, I think I'm going to list some of these on my Etsy store. So if you're interested, yeah, just let me know. I don't know if I'll do them. Yeah, I'll probably just list them individually, but yeah, I've been collecting these for so long, and there's some of them that I've just had for a really long time, and I'm just not going to use them. So this one is a little, it's not really damaged, but it's you can tell it's not been standing up properly because it's kind of curvy. But anyway, that's why I have it on the bottom of the stack. But anyway, that's what I've been working on the last 2 days, and why I haven't been with you guys. But I'll catch you up on this. I have gone through the my signature here. I've added some, this is from a garden book. I've added some coffee dyed paper. I have attached a couple of tucks here. There's some graph paper. What else? I've got a dictionary page. I've got another tuck here. I've decorated, just put some of the little cutouts on these little envelopes. I've got a piece of masking, some more coffee dyed paper, larger envelope, a doily, a piece of ledger paper. What else did I add in there? Anyway, that's what I've got for right now, and I need to add my vellum. Now, here's what I noticed about the vellum, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is the second layer that I've used of the paper, and I don't know if you can see that or not. This has been under there for about 4 days. Well, since Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, yeah, it's Saturday, so I think that should be about as much as it should wick out. So I think we're okay. I'm going to try. We'll see. And I'm going to keep those under there. But yeah, I want to go ahead and add the vellum here. And let's see, where do I want to add that? 2, 3, 4. I think I have, yeah, I think I was going to add it here. So, because I've got 2 coffee dyed. So let's see. Do I want it here? That would be pretty. Or do I want it? Yeah, I want to leave that envelope there. So that's where I'm going to put the vellum. So I did go ahead. I don't know what I have that page out for. Might have just been stuck to something, but I did go ahead and Mod Podge the envelope on both sides. This side, a little bit here. I Mod Podged it up to the crease, and then I Mod Podge this side, so it's sturdy, it's nice and good. So then, looking at this, I thought by the time I get this in here, look how much is hanging over. Now, granted, this isn't sewn in, so if I pull that down and pull it over, it looks pretty good to still cover that. It is getting already, it's quite loaded there, and I haven't even added but a couple of pieces of ephemera. So I don't know, I'm thinking I might trim down some of these center pieces just a tad. Like, well, if I start the middle one with like 3/8, maybe do the first 2 3/8, and then the next one, well, no, 3/8 would be too much. Let's 3/16 is what I mean. 3/16, and then, you know, the 1/8, and then 1/16, and then maybe that'll give me a little bit more room. Sorry guys, my voice is really raspy. We've had a lot of smoke, and I think I've got some allergies going on as well. Anyway, so let's see what we've got. I do want to put some lace trim on some of those pages. And then this is the ephemera that I have left. I've got 3 tickets. I'm going to eventually put this on the front of the journal. I've got some little, I don't know what to do with those, tickets, and these are the other cutouts that we have, and then the journal cards that we'll use for tucking. So I probably want to do a belly band, and I don't know, maybe I should print out some postcards. I have some postcards, digital postcards. I don't really want to cover up this image, so I was thinking about doing a lace pocket here, but I don't like this lace for the pockets because it's nylon and it kind of snags on everything. So I may, oh, you know what I should do? I should do a ghost pocket for this one. Guys, I'm just going to take notes. This is, I'm not, this is not a tutorial or an instructional or a craft with me. This is a, here's what's up. So I think I want to do for the front pockets, I think I'm going to do ghost pockets, which means I need to print out another piece of this. And I'll do that on the front and back. And then I need some kind of an envelope to put in there. This is my little checklist here. I printed out a page of these. And if you're interested, I will upload this to my Facebook group. But basically, let me find a blank one. This is what I like to include in my junk journal. So a front and back cover pocket, a decorated envelope, left and right corner flips, 2 side tucks, 4 pockets, vertical and horizontal belly band, and then I usually do some kind of paper clips or flip over or something like that. And then I have some blank lines, and I just fill this in for every journal. And sometimes I do more, sometimes I do less, but it gives me just enough room. And I just keep folding it, and you can see that sometimes I do math. But anyway, yeah, this one goes back to Butterfly Delight. So anyway, this is my bursts of beauty. So I want to do the ghost pockets, and yeah, I do have a couple of side, well, I've check marked already my side pockets because I have a couple of those in there. And so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to print out some more paper, and tomorrow's Sunday, so I won't be making a video tomorrow. Sunday's just too hard to get a video up. But Monday, I will be back, and I'll have everything prepped, and we'll get on with this journal. I think it's going to turn out real pretty. I think I'll go ahead and trim these pages down a little bit too, so that you can see how far that's, I mean, yeah, it's not sewn in, but it does need to be trimmed down just a little, because it's coming right to the edge of the first score line, and I want it to be able to go around. So that's it. That's it for today. I still have heater woes. They came out Monday. I think I told you about that. And then Thursday, the warranty guy came out. And oh, it doesn't need to be replaced. It just needs to be cleaned. And that'll be an extra $75 because they're not paying me to clean it. So I'm like, I don't know what to do. I've paid this guy $150 already to maintenance it, and he says it needs to be replaced. The warranty company says it doesn't need to be replaced, just needs to be cleaned. So my husband said, you know what? Pay him. Let him clean it, and that way if it doesn't work, it's on him. So I said, okay. I gave him the $75. 5 minutes later, my heater was working. Okay? He just cleaned it, did not replace it. Then the other company comes back to complete the maintenance, and it won't work. So I still have no heat. So now I have contacted the warranty people again, and I said, I want somebody else to come out here. I do not want the same guy. He only wants to clean it. He just keeps telling me how dirty it is. And the other guy keeps telling me it's not because of the dirt, it's because it needs to be replaced. It's years of use. It's just going to keep getting stuck over and over and over. It works intermittently, but we want it to work when we want it to work. So, I don't know. Pray for me, guys, that I have patience. I don't have an extra, thousands of dollars laying around to fix this stuff if the warranty company doesn't want to do it. So, anyway, you don't need to hear my drama. Everybody has their own. So, anyway, I hope you guys have a good Saturday and a good Sunday, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.